So yeah, we're doing a talk today at
Welcome to Birmingham.
Yeah, we're doing a talk today at Vegan Camp Out. It's our first time here at this event. It's meant to be huge. It's meant to be a really big stage, so should be interesting. We're not exactly sure what we're going to talk about yet.
A little bit nervous, just the size of the stage. And when these big stages are, and often when they're not kind of held in, it's hard to have intimacy and to get feedback. Intimacy might sound strange, but I mean that you can't necessarily get feedback from the audience as to how it's going down. So it can be
our current idea for the talk is to do. So obviously it's Vegan Camp Out, so it's everything vegan. We're gonna talk about 20 years being vegan. What we've learned, 5 things we've learned from 20 years being vegan. Starting a business that's turned over 10 million and is vegan, and
that's what we've got to. So
that's as far as we've got to. So so we're working out the lessons and how to weave stories and how to get some fun within it. So.
And how to make it a bit of crack, we'd say, in
to have a bit of fun, so it's not just kind of preachy and not just to try to make it entertaining.
Because often you say it's people to remember how they feel, not what.
Yeah, at any kind of big. If you're doing a big talk like this, it's to try to. They'll remember how they feel, but they won't remember what you said. So it's making sure that they feel good. So it's making them engage with the audience and interact and whatnot.
Make it fun, yeah.
So that's our challenge.
So this is first brekkie, so we've got a granola, got some oatmeal. I'm just going to literally pour the full tub in.
Hopefully the pack will take it. Very handy way to eat on the travel. A little takeaway spoon, and there we go. First brekkie, beautiful. Just arrived here at Vegan Camp Out. We're waiting for someone to show up and give us our wristbands, so gonna have some brekkie in the meantime. Looks cool though. Lots of campsites around. These big trees all around, like really natural, lovely nature. And the tents over there in the distance. We're off. Just got our wristbands. Do you want to show us your wristband, Stevie?
Oh yeah, sorry, it's just doing a little story.
Look.
Yeah, so it turns out we're artists.
Look,
which is,
artists.
I would have never classified myself as that, but what fun!
There you go, you get a new classification.
Look, lovely thistles, if anyone's into thistles.
Yeah, lovely.
The circus tents look so much fun.
Yeah, really cool. This is the main stage where we're speaking at later. Pretty cool, massive big circus tent. Really, really incredible setup.
So welcome, this is the main stage, this is the man himself, Robin.
There he is, yeah.
So I guess just getting
cool looking stage, really
what
cool.
the mics would be like for the talk. I wonder how many people will come.
Yeah, you never know with something like this. Yeah,
and
definitely.
Also like without sounding weird, like the size of the room and the intimacy and what type of a talk you can do. So this is a big room. This suits rock and roll. I don't know how it does talks. It's interesting, no matter how many talks we do or how many demos you do, we always feel nervous.
Yeah, like I feel nervous.
Big stage, and it feels like people who kind of know us a bit. So
I don't know if they'll know us, but it's just interesting. We both feel nervous, so
we're on talking in about 2 hours, so we're just kind of pinning down exactly what we're going to talk about. We have a rough structure, but just want to figure out now that we've seen the place and seen what else is on to kind of how we're going to do our content. So yeah. Before we do anything, first thing first, we're going to do a little bit of yoga.
The first tweet, it was really exciting, and it was of a sunrise.
Irish Bulletin. It was really sexy kind of stuff. So we put up like free, sexy, 4-week course, reverse heart disease, look your best up. You know, we put all sorts of sales jargon on it. And we said 4 weeks, you know. And anyway, we 20 people sign up to our experiment.
Super cool people are the old sign language. Look, sign language, look. Yay! Look at
How cool, what a treat. When people are queuing after and they've got
Lottie.
to bring up the books with the labels in.
You can put labels in.
amazing, just check out the range of vegan food here. It's such an option. There must be 50 different vendors, I'd say at least.
Indonesian, like all vegan, all completely vegan. Barbecue and noodles, hedgerow ham, herbivorous. Like there really is, it goes on a long while. I'll show you something. We're going to start to get a few now and taste them. But now we're just deciding what to go for. Hog's roast. This one's taste too. Oh, cool.
Would you like to try this?
What are these now?
Oh, dancing double up. So
Oh,
these
yeah,
are, soy chicken bites.
Cool. Soy chicken bites. Oh, that's cool. There's no plant-based pizza. Very groovy. That's a yummy little.
So trying to look for something semi-healthy. Don't know, just when you feel
There's
like
a fair amount of vegan junk food.
yeah, but
I reckon we're gonna go for sushi.
Yeah, I'm gonna try one of these.
Happy Mackie rolls.
We got
should
some
be
red
great.
rolls.
Lunch vouchers. This one's the biggest queue, which is usually a good sign.
Yes, please. So the left-hand side has the ginger.
Where to go? One food token. Oh, there we are. How's it going? You well? Indo vegan. I'm down here. Definitely. Oh, this is exciting. That looks good. I'm going for the chana masala, a bit of sagaloo. And can I get a tiny bit of noodles as well? Yeah.
So we got a double avocado sushi burrito. So it's just a sushi roll. That's
Maki roll.
Yeah, beautiful. And we got a kind of nice. When you feel a little tired and you just want something little
Slightly
that seems
sweet.
a bit fancy. It says no added sugar. I question it, but anyway, delighted. Lunch in the sun.
That was really nice.
Happy
Felt
Mackie
nice.
nice.
Yeah,
Lovely.
happy Mackie nice. I love the little sugary drink. It's great.
And the sugary drink went down so well, I think we're going to go find something sugary and vegan and sweet.
Ice cream. There's lots of soft serve.
Yeah, now here we go. What shall we find?
Oh, sorry, it's millionaires.
Please, yeah, thank you.
Grand. That'll be £3, please.
I feel like I'm a 5-year-old at a birthday party, getting a millionaire square. Like you can nearly taste the sugar in your teeth. It's fabulous. I feel like a little kid. Not the most healthy, but it's kind of what I really love at the moment.
And it's actually too hot to sit in the sun now, so we're sitting in the shade. Great vibe though, such a beautiful atmosphere. Of course. Of course.
Thank you so much. Oh,
I really enjoyed your program.
you're so funny,
I've
guys.
been following you since the beginning, haven't you?
Yeah, I've been like
What's your name?
I'm a Miriam. So I became vegan like 12 years ago, and you started the YouTube and everything.
Yeah, I wish you'd look for.
Here's the activism stage.
You're pretty cool, mate.
We've got all sorts of bits on. Now Klaus is talking from PBN. On Sunday there's all sorts of stuff.
Sometimes the little things that bring the most joy. As kids, we used to have these little ice lollies. They were called Mr. Freezes. I used to always have strawberry, but here they fancy ones. This is a rhubarb one, mango and lime. The joy.
Yum, 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 yum.
Okay, this is lovely Ethiopian food. You remember I did a little video, you telling me what it was. You remember? You did a little video and you told me this.
Ethiopia. What's your first name again?
And what was your first name again?
I'm Helen.
Helen.
Listen,
Listen,
this
check
is
out.
food too,
Beautiful.
remember?
This is chickpeas.
This is chickpeas.
This one looks really good.
This
And then
is
this,
dal
what was
with
this called
spinach.
again? This is,
Spicy chickpeas.
and then
This is-
it's called
Injera.
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 Is it going well for you?
Yeah, but no.
But now it's busy. Good. Right, I hope it's really busy. We met Helen. We were doing a cooking demo at a vegan festival in London a few weeks ago. And I'd just eaten their food, and then Helen came up and she tasted it. We cooked this simple chickpea curry in 5 minutes. I remember being really nervous. She gave us a 9, and she was so sweet and so kind.
And this is her beautiful Ethiopian
And she wouldn't let us
food.
pay, which was really
Red
great
tent,
time.
red tent Ethiopian food.
Gorgeous.
All vegan,
Really
beautiful.
nice. And this was called, what do you call the
There
pancake?
was a
again?
pickle on top of it. It's like a buckwheat.
No, but it was called something. It was called like an
Angela. What's going on now, Stevie?
So we didn't want to bring a tent because we'd have to get another bag, and it's kind of a bit of excitement about just taking a sleeping bag and finding a tree to sleep under.
What
So,
time of the day is it now?
Yeah, we're kind of a bit tired.
We've been up
Kinda
since
had enough.
3:30.
You know, met loads of wonderful people and just feel like some quiet time. So it's 8:52. We're off to try to find a place to go to bed.
Find a nice tree to sleep under.
Yeah, exactly.
Here we go. Where shall we end up? Somewhere that's quiet because there's a lot of noise obviously being generated around here. Yeah.
I haven't slept on the ground for a while. It's normally on a nice comfy mattress, so this should be fun. There's Stevie brushing his teeth. Good man Stevie. As he was saying, this reminds me of France. We were sleeping rough for probably a month in a row. So yeah, bit of fun. Nice to be going to bed at 9 o'clock at a festival and get a really good night's sleep. Yeah, we've had a long day, really long, you know, up at 3:30, and then the excitement of doing the talk and then meeting so many people and whatever. So definitely feel I've got my money's worth out of the day. And not what you'd expect. We went to bed about 9:30, bed being here in a sleeping bag, and just getting up now, and it is 7:15. Not that we slept right the way through, because the tents are here, so there's lots of noise. It was pretty patchy. You do 2 hours and then have to roll over, and then, but I feel really rested. It was great. Under a tree, like beautiful. Watching the sun and the light rise around 4, and then sleeping another bit, and then watching the squirrels, listening to the birds, and then sleeping another bit, and just lying here. It's been really good. It's been really lovely.
On the road again.
Any reflections on sleeping rough?
I'd like to do it more. I'd like to do it with the kids. It's
Yeah.
amazing, just like even lying on the ground there, looking at the grass and just seeing the different, like, you could see just a little ecosystem that you just think it's grass, and it's just a nice reminder. I don't know.
Lying there, watching the squirrels up in the trees and listening to all the birds.
It's
It's
just
really
beautiful. Really, really lovely. Good morning, good morning. So we're going to go off for a morning run just to kind of wash away the fuzz of that night's sleep, get a bit of exercise, power up, and just explore a bit of the English countryside. It's 19 degrees, it's toasty, it's beautiful, so let's go.
First brekkie, 4 nectarines each, white nectarines, delicious.
such an amazing selection of food here. It really is. Great atmosphere in the sunshine.
First brekkie, we got turmeric shot, ginger shot, and we got some chia puddings, and we got 4 nectarines each. Woohoo!
There's the happy clappy Stevie. Nice t-shirt. In the team colours today.
Yeah, playing
Good
for the
man.
happy Pear.
Yeah, good man. It's a bloodbath. It's an absolute bloodbath. 5 down, 3 to go. Here we go.
So tasty. It's a real wet brekkie, we were saying. Like,
How you doing
very
at half time now?
having a ball. Part of me though would love a big bag of granola.
Yeah. Are you a fruit bat, Stephen Flynn?
Sometimes I feel like I most definitely could be. And my son Ned is a total fruit bat.
He's the only contender. When we buy loads of fruit, Ned's our competition.
He'll sit down and like he'd put away like a full watermelon on himself, and he could eat 4 apricots and 5
Yeah, he
figs.
probably could have outdone us. We only managed to 8 nectarines.
Okay, second brekkie, we've got some
It's a nice Indonesian street food.
Indonesian street food, really nice, yeah.
This is called a nasam gori with chili rice.
Lovely spiced rice.
Not our typical breakfast, but delicious.
Well,
Nice and
second
starchy. It gives a good look.
This is the best I've seen. Look, so there's a man there, look. He's with an umbrella. That's the best I've seen. It's so hot here in the UK that people are walking around with umbrellas. Amazing. Plant-based sausage. Here we go. Ooh la la. What's that? How is it, Stevie?
Oh, it's lovely. But I think everything's contextual, and people tend to forget that about food. We're here at the festival, it's sunny, there's everyone full of jubilant atmosphere, and it just looks magnificent. It tastes great too. It's lovely.
Really good. Great job.
Very grateful. New friend Dan the man.
There's Dan King the Donuts.
Oh wow, look at those.
Jeez, those are serious vegan donuts. These can be ordered anywhere in the UK, can't
Anywhere
they?
in the UK, yeah. Check
Wow.
them out. Wow. They look, our kids are going to be over the moon. I'm going to have to
Jeez,
hide
they
it from my
well.
kids.
Wow. Yeah, so there they are. Look, donutsofficial.com.
Wicked.
Boom.
Thanks.
Dan the man.
Great.
Woo! That was such fun, really. Vegan camp out. What a laugh. So lovely to meet so many different people that, you know, just shared a similar philosophy. It was great fun. Really
Yeah.
enjoyed it. Amazing weather, amazing place. Just
And
such fun.
food was fantastic. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Really, really do. And
Thanks for subscribing and being part of this, and thanks for watching it this far.
And for everyone who we met this weekend who may be watching this, thank you. It was so wonderful to meet
And
you.
if you ever want to come visit and join us for a swim, come join us anytime. We swim every day. We're in Ireland.
In the Cove in Greystones at sunrise. Sending lots of love. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.